Hi, welcome to my channel, Benri.TV. I'll be making Raindrop Cake, in Japanese, 水信玄餅. Here's a recipe, very simple one. In earlier video, I made pickled cherry blossoms, so I'll be using that today. Please check out the pickle making video too. Put cherry blossoms in the water. Doesn't it look like come back to life? It's so cute. I use Konnyaku Jelly powder instead of agar powder. This will make the texture more like a liquid marshmallow and bouncy mochi type of texture. So I like to use Konnyaku Jelly powder today. 1.5 gram Konnyaku Jelly powder in the water. Stir until the powder is dissolved. Then you can add sugar 20 grams and mix well. Heat the mixture up just before boiling. Place the flour face down so that when you take it out, you can see the flour looks like blooming. The mixture has to be completely cooled down. Otherwise, you will cook the flour. If you cook the flour color will become dull. For the mold, today I'm using the ice making mold for whiskey. This is after 3 hours. This is the most exciting moment. The texture is super soft, marshmallow-like. Ooh, it's perfect. Isn't it beautiful? Using Konnyaku Jelly powder will make more gooey texture than agar powder. Agar powder is traditionally used for this dessert, but texture is different. I made something extra. This one I might eat with condensed milk or whipped cream. Here's the second one. Raindrop cake is all done. I like to eat this with soy bean powder, maple syrup, or molasses. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.